Hey, YouTube. I'm going to teach you this song called My Mind. It's a new song by an artist named Sherwyn. I'll put a link. It's a really cool song. And it's basically a groove or a vamp, you might call it. It's kind of just playing the same thing repeatedly, just kind of getting down on it, and that's basically it. Clean amp. Now, what is this? When we play this at the 10th, we're gonna play these 4 strings: D, G, B, high E. So our main, this is actually a C sharp minor 7. Okay, I'm doing the syncopated strumming, so I'm just when I want to hear it, I press down on my fingers. My hand is going the whole time. Except I'm not playing the whole chord. I'm just playing the top, like I said, the top 4 strings. You don't have to play them all every time. All right, and then the next thing it's doing is doing just like a little, what we call chromatic. All right, so briefly, all right, we go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, and then so what I'm doing is I'm briefly going to the 8. And then at the end of the riff I go to the 11th fret. Okay, and we're just, the 8 would be your C minor 7, and the 11th would be your E flat minor 7. But again, we're not playing the whole minor 7 chord. We wanted to play the whole chord. You could play that, this is how most people would play it. Muting the 5th string. Okay, and then you're still, but even when you play it like this, you're still just playing like hitting those top strings. So you're playing the riff when opposite of the vocals. Okay, so where is my mind? I'll put a link to the song so you can listen to it, but I really like it. I like the lyrics, I like the melody, I like the style, I like the drums, I like everything on it. Okay, so check it out. I'll put a link in the lesson description. Thanks for watching. Bye.